walk in the park. I'm with my son Anthony. He's 5 years old. Say hi, Anthony.
Hi.
And what are we doing today?
We're going to the park.
What are we gonna do there?
I'm gonna do some flips.
Oh, cool. You hear that? We're gonna do some flips at the park. This should ought to be really fun. So, we're taking a nice walk. It's a beautiful day out here. What do you got to say, Anthony?
Right now we're just like walking in a tree path. So we have to just go to the park. Right there, we can right there. I think we're gonna do some good times.
Oh yeah, it'll be fun. Fun times. So,
If you can see here, there's my juice right there.
he's got his juice rolling in the back here, so that's good news. Gotta stay hydrated. That's very important. Remember that. That's my tip to you guys out there in YouTube land.
And this is bumpy right here, so don't go on this path because it's bumpy. Because you can tip over really easily. Because right here it's almost like tipping a little bit, and it's a little bit too here. And there's a park and there's a basketball court.
And he's going a little too fast for me. I'm having a hard time keeping up right now. He's got a very fast set of wheels, so I don't know if I could keep up. We are here at the park, and Anthony is going to do some tricks for us all. So here they go.
Okay. Are you ready?
We are ready.
Okay. So I'm just gonna climb up here first. And see what I'm doing.
And Anthony is upside down. He looks like a bat. Here comes Anthony.
Oh,
There he goes. Here comes Anthony. There he goes. Here comes Anthony. There he goes. So we're getting ready to walk home from the park. We had a fun time. Anthony enjoys the swings. That's one of his favorite things in the whole world.
And right now we're walking down Cone. Right now we're going into a place called, if you see, dark. Okay.
All right, we're continuing our walk home.
Yeah.
Fun time.
Because we have to go back home to go to a party. Hey, that's for you, Mommy.
Anthony, what do you think of this restaurant?
Great.
What's your favorite part?
About the train.
The train?
Yeah. Does it listen to you? And that's the best thing about it. And they have a train.
Oh, good. Okay. You do now?
Yeah.
Okay. I think.
Okay.
Okay. This lever for printing only. Go ahead. All right. Now we're gonna go. Don't do it yet. All right.
Anthony, what do you have?
My name on the badge.
Let's see it. Wow, is that cool? Awesome.
not